Hey, welcome to Rolling Stones, Musicians on Musicians, here at the Royal Sonesta Hotel, and a special welcome to our Sonesta Travel Pass members. We have a special lineup for you. Tank and the Bangas and the Revivalists, David Shaw.
Tank is singular. Like, there's not an artist out there like her.
I like that David can sing. I respect that.
I feel like New Orleans also is about authenticity. It's like that is like one of the linchpins of this community. And
People in New Orleans entertain every day, and half the time the music is free because it's just a part of us that we would give it away like that.
that's the thing that's in my heart is like just be you, just be you, and the wings will carry you.
I'm just like you in my, meaning that we're all from the same garden, and with the right gardeners, we can all grow to be something really tall. You're never too old to do this thing.